So today we are going to remove this disc and we are going to take it to the machine shop. Disc is finished, so the procedure, we have to open up our tire first, then alright, we make sure we lose the brake pads. This is a sliding caliper, so we have to push it so we lose the pads, and we have to open up this bracket and the mounting bracket, so you can go ahead and touch.
See caliper, not bracket.
So we have to open up this one so that we can open up the axle nut. Thirty, 20, 24, 22. Yeah, be 24. But not
27.
27.
Okay, bring.
26.
Other one. There, put there in. Okay, job is done.
So job is done. We are going to take it to the machine shop. The same we are going to do on another side. So as easy as so you can open up yourself and take it to the machine shop. They resurface it, so they make it very fine. So on returning, we have to change the brake pad so that they are also new, and the job will be done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep tuned and stay